is time. It's time for the lightning round. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski Daddy? Time for the lightning round. Let's go to Catalina in New York. Catalina.
Hi, Jim Cramer. Booyah!
Booyah, Catalina. What's going on?
I want to know, what do you think where gold is going to keep going up, or is it going to stay like it's been doing, going down, going up?
No. I think it goes up. Remember, it's an insurance program. All it is insurance against everything else you have. Can't expect to make too much money in your insurance, but I still think you will. Let's go to Kit in Washington. Kit.
Hey, how are you?
I'm good, Kit. How about you?
I'm good. Hey, I want to thank you for all your stock tips. I remember about 8 years ago when I bought Popeye stock, the restaurant.
Yeah, we got a nice bid there, huh? You got a nice bid on that one.
And it tripled. So
yeah, Cheryl Batchelor did a great job for shareholders there. She should be applauded. How can I help you now?
Yeah, so I still have Generac. I've had it for about 3 years. I've just watched it. You know, I'm not going to call you about my winners. It's one of my big losers. And
yeah.
Do you feel?
Well, actually, I think down here it's okay. I mean, it was turned out it had a lot more to do with interest rates than we thought. You buy it and you basically pay it off in interest, plus the actual cost of the thing. Interest costs have gone down, so I think Generac could have another 10, 15 points to run. Please hold on to it. Let's go to Christopher in South Carolina. Christopher.
Booyah, Jim. This is Christopher from South Carolina.
Excellent.
I love the show. Love the picks.
Thank you.
I wanted to get your thoughts on a dry bulk shipping company. They just reported pretty nice dividends, not dividends, but earnings, and have very healthy dividends, and they're doing a buyback program as well. Stock is Golden Ocean Group, GOGL.
It's the best of a lot that I candidly do not like, sir, as you know, because you watch the show. Those companies have historically gone boom bust, and it just had boom. I fear bust. Let's go to Fred in Pennsylvania, please. Fred.
Hey, Jim, how you doing?
Doing well, Fred.
Current club member.
Oh, thank you.
My stock is Guardant Health. It's an oncology stock that
it does gene sequencing, and I'd much rather see it, honestly, in a Danaher, which is a much more conservative way to play it and is well down and beaten up, and we own it for the club. Let's go to Craig in Florida. Craig.
Dr. Cramer, happy Monday.
Oh, man, Monday, that means a lot more days ahead, but that's all right. We're ready for him. How can I help?
Okay, this name is mentioned weekly on your show. In fact, I've called in before about it. And I, along with you, believe that this is just a matter of time, that the shares reflect what the company is doing, quarter after quarter, beating and raising, yet the stock cannot hold any of its gains. The bears won't set this thing free. Jimmy, what else is it going to take before the market realizes what a powerful, disruptive brand Anthony Noto is creating at SoFi?
Okay, well, let's look at it this way. Let's say we were talking about KeyBank. Let's talk about Huntington Bank shares or Regions Financial. Let's say we're talking about Wells Fargo. We're talking about Bank of America. They're all suffering from the same thing. I think that Anthony's actually doing better than the other guys. So I say you stay long SoFi. Remember, this stock is up substantially from where it was in the spring. I think Noto's doing a great job. I'm in a buyer. Let's go to Jim in Wisconsin. Jim.
Hey, Jim. Thanks for all your tireless work.
Thank you, Jim.
This stock has had a tough year. Tell me about Walgreens.
I think Walgreens got to cut that dividend in half and be able to start showing a plan. They have no plan. Without a plan, I can't recommend it. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by Charles Schwab. Coming up, make ends meet and make your portfolio work overtime, Shopify, small business, and the underground economy. Cramer has more next.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.